Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over some of our favorite fragrances on Amazon. You guys, I'm going to shout this out, and this is not one of those high-end, super ultra expensive colognes, but I absolutely love it and I think it smells so good, and I really suggest it for all of my male friends. You guys, this is Cremo. It is their Cedar and Cypress. This is a beautiful scent, and they make amazing scents that are really long-lasting without being overpowering. They are a complex, multi-level scent. It's not going to be that cheesy, scent that you get maybe from other lower priced colognes. This is going to be a really well-developed, well-thought-out scent by scent experts. I love this scent, and I especially love it for summer. It is woodsy, it's cedar, it's cypress, so it's all the things that you think like going to the lake, and they hit you with this splash of lemon peel and citrus. They play off each other so well, so it just comes across as not just, a lot of men's scents are woodsy, and this one is kind of like woodsy but summer at the lake, and you get that punch of lemon, which just makes it bright and fun and fresh. So I really, really love this one. I especially love it for this time of year. I think it's a wonderful summer cologne, and you guys, this is a great price, great quality company. Definitely, this is one that you can check out a lot of their different scents, and you're gonna be really, really surprised and happy with them. Check it out, put it in your cart, buy it as a gift. You're gonna be really glad that you did.